Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best drones with HD camera. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the DPPOWER MJXX400W FPV drone camera. Do you wish to proportion all of your favorite photographs and films straight away after capturing? You can now share all your photos with friends and own family with the aid of this pinnacle high quality drone camera that is Wi-Fi enabled. The Digicam also has an FPV real-time transmission, which enables you to connect your drone to the camera. It additionally has a high potential battery in order to assure up to 8-9 minutes of flight time. This is the first class drone Digicam with a purpose to assure you of beautiful photographs you will love. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the UDI U818A HD Drone with camera. This is a dependable and handy headless mode drone with a 6-axis gyro stability, on the way to assure you of notable balance and maneuverability. It has the pleasant drone digital camera as a way to allow you to seize excessive res videos and photos that you will always love. To ensure which you experience an extended flight time, it comes with a nice and extra durable battery with a purpose to serve you better. The 2MP Digicam also has a 4GB micro SD to will let you keep all your motion pictures and pictures competently. You can now get the camera online through making your order now, and you may love it. At number 3, we have the RC Quadcopter drone with FPV camera live video. The RC Quadcopter drone with FPV camera live video is one of the best-selling drones with an FPV Digicam for shooting splendid pics. It functions as 0.3MP video camera that is best for taking great aerial pics and films. The FPV camera also has each mobile album and app, which all the films and pictures will continually be listed. The drone comes with a powerful battery to assure you of an extended flight time. It additionally has a gimbal to present you the hazard of positioning your digital camera rightly. At number 2, we have the Force One U45W Blue Jay Wi-Fi FPV Quadcopter drone. The HD cameras are some of the nice drone cameras that are very ergonomic and captures the final pictures you may locate tremendous. With this powerful Digicam, you may be able to capture every single moment you're out at the flight. It additionally has a primary man or woman view, which permits you to watch the real-time live streaming video directly out of your Android or iPhone. The HD Digicam can seize 720p excessive definition motion pictures and pictures you will gladly proportion with own family and pals for the reason that it's far Wi-Fi enabled. And finally, at number 1, we have the Holystone HS170 Predator RC drone. Whenever you want to locate the first-class drone Digicam with a view to assure you of top-notch provider and reliability, then this is the final desire. The drone employs the 2.4 GHz generation for the fine anti-inferences. The drone gives you up to among 6-8 minutes of flight time. For this reason you'll always get the possibility to seize the nice pictures and movies. For your protection, it has a protracted manipulate variety of about 30-50 meters. Besides this, the high-definition Digicam will allow you to seize some of the first-class photos ever. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this drones with HD camera, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.